Governor-elect Ademola Adeleke can now heave a sigh of relief as the Supreme Court dismisses Gboyega Oyetola's appeal, challenging the Court of Appeal's decision. The Osun State tribunal had ordered that certificate of return be issued to Oyetola after it held in a majority judgment of 2-1 that Adeleke did not score the majority of lawful votes during the July 16 governorship election in the state, and that there was indeed overvoting in 744 polling units in 10 local government areas of the state. Dissatisfied with the decision of the tribunal, Adeleke approached the Court of Appeal, which in a unanimous decision of 3 justices led by Justice Mohammed Shuaibu held that Adeleke's appeal was meritorious. The appellate court, while citing section 47 and 60 of the Electoral Act, upheld the issue of beavers against Oyetola, stating that the Osun State Tribunal was wrong to have said there was overvoting, as Oyetola and APC relied only on the data from the back-end server and failed to look at the voters' register, which forms the foundation of the whole electoral process. Dissatisfied with the appellate court's decision, Oyetola approached the Supreme Court. The Apex Court, while delivering its judgment on Tuesday, noted that there is no way Oyetola could depend only on the information of INEC's back-end server and not look into the voters' register, which forms the foundation of the electoral process in any polling unit. The court also held that the analysis of the beavers expert, who is an APC chieftain, as to the outcome of the elections was inadmissible, as the expert's testimony was based on hearsay. The panel held that Oyetola failed to prove that there was indeed overvoting in 744 polling units in the 10 local government areas, as there was no evidence from those polling units in that regard. The Apex Court held that the respondents' findings in the issues of beavers was that there was overvoting in only 6 polling units, which didn't affect the emergence of Ademola Adeleke as the governor-elect. The Apex Court, while dismissing another appeal on Adeleke's qualification, held that the appeal collapsed over Oyetola's failure to prove his case beyond reasonable doubt, as it is not enough to point out issues of certified documents without making findings to back up the claims.
This is a long drawn-out case in which the respondent, my client, Governor Adeleke, went all out to ensure that he secured the victory once again after what happened 4 years ago. And then the people gave him the mandate to rule.
So many legal issues were raised, which are very fundamental to our electoral jurisprudence. Transmission and server, what is the implication? Which one do we rely on? Is it the voters register or the end server? The Supreme Court has settled that today as a mark of finality. You need the voters register, you need the ECHA, you need the beavers report, the 3 of them. They are the Trinity.